So do this question then. 90 grams of ethane is reacted with 96 grams of oxygen in a closed chamber. So what all species, how many grams of them will be there in that chamber? Initially, that's the thing. Okay, do it fast. Hope you got it right. So that's your chemical reaction. So it's seen that 2 ethane reacts with 7 oxygen to produce 4 carbon dioxide and 6 water. So how much of ethane is actually there? It is 90 divided by the molar mass. So that is 3 moles of ethane is there. Similarly, 96 divided by 32 grams. So we have 3 moles of oxygen 2. So will 3 moles react with 3 moles? No, we have balanced and found out that 2 reacts with 7. So 3 of methane is going to react with 7 plus something, 7 by 2. So 2 reacts with 7, 3 reacts with more than 7. So we don't have more than 7. So all the 3 of ethane can't react because we don't have so many oxygen. We don't even have oxygen enough to make 2 methanes react. 7 oxygen is required to make 2 methanes react. We have just 3 oxygen. So this 3 becomes the important number. This 3 and not this. This one is ditched. This one is used. So that's the useful number over there. So 3 will hold all the ratios. That 3 oxygen is actually going to react. This 3 of oxygen, not 3 of methane. 3 of oxygen is actually going to react and is going to react with what? So let's get this number right. Let's call this number as x. So x by 3 is equal to 2 by 7. So you have 6 by 7 over here. So 3 will react with 6 by 7, which is less than 1. It's just a fraction. So out of the 3 moles, only 6 by 7 reacts and rest is left over. How much is left over? 3 minus 6 by 7 is left over, which is 15 by 7 moles are left over. How much of oxygen is left over? Nothing. It has all finished. So this is in moles. This is in moles. Expected answer is in grams. So let us get the moles of carbon dioxide also. 2 gives 4. We'll hold on to this ratio. We'll not bother ourselves by doing a ratio as 7:4. 2:4 is a easier thing. It is double of 2. So 4 is double of 2. So double of 6 by 7 is 12 by 7. Similarly, this is triple. 6 is triple of 2. So triple of 6 by 7 is 18 by 7. So many moles. So what in grams? 12 by 7 into 44 grams. 18 by 7 into 18 grams. Grams. And what in grams for this? This into 30 grams. So if I add all this, I'm expecting to get 90 plus 96, 186 as my answer. As my cross verification, not answer. Sorry, answers are these. You just calculate. I'm not going to calculate it. I'm just going to add it for you. 15 by 7 into 30 plus 12 by 7 into 44 plus 18 by 7 into 18. So that gives you 1302 divided by 7 grams, which is 186 grams exactly, which was earlier there. 96 plus 90. So here we identified the limiting agent is oxygen. The oxygen finished off. Oxygen is what finished off. That's your concept of limiting agent. Hope you'll be able to do questions based on that. It's not necessary that the amount, the moles will be provided in terms of weights. We have till now learned how to convert weight to moles. So next we are going to learn other measuring ways which can be converted to moles, like mole fraction, concentration in terms of molality, concentration in terms of molarity, and then we might do normality, but not necessarily for this part of the chapter. It will be more used in redox when the redox reactions come into play.